Hey guys, Donnie here, and you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. And when we come back, we got the GOOLRC. This is the Binge 1, so stay tuned. Hey, welcome back guys. Hey, I got the Binge 1. This is by GOOLRC, and this was sent to me by RC Moments. So RC Moment, I thank you. Ivan, he was my rep. I just want to tell him thank you very much. I'm a little behind on this due to health and got that surgery coming up, so I apologize for that. But Ivan's a really good guy. He moved to a different department now, so you know, I thank him for everything he's done for me at RC Moment. So all right, anyways, we're gonna jump into this. I'm gonna unbox this thing and see what we got in here. You guys already know I have this because I did my mail time, but I didn't open it. And I'm sorry, True Drone Reviews. You had to wait until this moment. He sent me left me a message saying, thanks for the tease. Didn't let me see what was inside. None of us got to see. So this is what's inside. The only thing I did was just open it, put some batteries in the controller, and charged up the battery. So that way I could be ready for the flight. But it has a really good manual. So the manual here explains everything that you need to do and how to calibrate it, how to calibrate the compass and all that good stuff. So we'll get to that when we get out to the field there. So anyways, really good. And then you got, this tells you the displays on the app, which you can get it on Android or iOS. So it's the GOOLRC app. So you just download that and you'll be able to go onto Wi-Fi and do the Wifi FPV, which I'm not a big fan of, but at least this camera on this one, I believe. Let's take a look here. And this is really neatly packaged. I like that. It's got this nice foam to keep it in there, like a rubberized foam, and it's a two-part. So you got the controller, and it looks like the props are in one. So you actually got 8 props. That's cool. So the other side has the other 4 props. So that makes it really nice. And the prop size is kind of like the H502E. If you guys, any of you guys have one of those, that's what the size of the props look like to me. It's not a very big quadcopter, so it is nice that it is brushed. It's got the brushless motors. So that's going to make it really nice. So you can have it in altitude hold or GPS. So, you know, I can't wait to test this out. Pretty cool. Here's the battery. And let's see, what is that? Yeah, so it's proprietary. It's 7.4 volt, 2000 milliamp. They put this little piece of paper on here so that way you don't have the battery connected during shipping. And another thing on this is to charge it. It's just like your regular, I hit my mic there, it's just like your regular cell phone port for like an Android phone. So, which is pretty cool. That's something different. So I don't have to sit there and keep getting all these different chargers to charge it up. So that makes it pretty nice. The camera here, that's what I was going to talk about. The camera's really cool. You can see the Wi-Fi antenna sticking out there, actually right here on the bottom. And don't forget to take the little tab off here. I'm going to take it off now so I don't forget the little screen protector there, because I always forget those fly off and have no good footage. So on this one here, the other good thing is, so if you don't want to record with your cell phone or you know, other device, you can put your memory card in the side of this. I like that because I'm just not a big Wi-Fi fan, guys. It's time for 2018 to give up the Wi-Fi and go with at least FM, like the 5.8 gigahertz would be very nice, and just get rid of this whole Wi-Fi. But it has dual antennas, got a big opening back there, so don't make a mistake and think that's where you put your memory card, because you will lose it in there. So not too sure what that port is and why it's open like that. And it has, like I said, it's got 2 antennas, so you know, I don't know. I'll have to read up some more about that. But okay, I guess I don't know, maybe that port. Oh, that's where it latches in there. That's why it's got that opening in the back. So it's just going to slide. You're just going to set it like this, and it should just slide right back. There we go. Clicks right in. You want to take it back out, you just press this button and slide the camera out. Okay, so there's that. Battery, as soon as you put the battery in, you can put it in. It's not going to turn on because they provided a power button. I like that too. That's awesome. So, all right, what other goodies we have? We have the phone adapter, so you can put it on your your controller. So I'm gonna open that now real quick. Just pull the controller out, which is a really nice controller. Always happy when these companies do good controllers, man. Just makes it so nice. So I don't see this. Nope, don't screw on there. So it just snaps down, and as you can see, it doesn't look like it's going to be that folds down. Small phone. I brought a small phone with me, so it's going to be a downfall for a lot of you guys that have a big phone like what I'm recording with. It's like a 5-inch screen. I don't think that's going to fit on there. I got one a hair smaller, but I brought it with me. And if I can't do it, guys, I apologize. You guys will just have to see the film from the memory card. No biggie, you know. But you can fly this from your Android device or your iPhone device. So that's why they have that app as well. But I'm flying it with this. It looks like it's got all kinds of goodies on here. You got your altitude hold is all the way up, then GPS, and then return to home is down on this toggle switch. So, and it's labeled, which makes it nice. So I'll keep it in GPS in the middle. I believe this on here is for filming. So, because you got no other buttons, none on the back to get in your way. So I believe those other buttons is trim and trim. Let's see, number 10. That one is photo. Okay. So we got photo, video. Number 12 is speed control. So the bottom one on the right hand side, that's for your rates. Let's see, you got one key start. This one is one key landing, and then you got headless mode. Pretty simple. So that's awesome. And then you got your trims right here. Okay, so not too bad, and it gives you gives everything you need right here. Telemetry. Finally, a controller that provided telemetry. So I hope you guys could see that. Hope the camera zooms in because that is awesome. That's so nice. Yeah, it tells you your speed, your GPS, everything. You know, your distance, altitude. God, it provides everything. Battery, your return to home. Boy, this is really well detailed. It even tells you when how much power you're putting. So if you can see that in like your direction, it moves. I really like that, guys. Very awesome controller. It's a 2.4 gigahertz. Very nice. I just wish they went with 5.8 gigahertz would have been awesome. So really quick, I kind of want to take a look at these. I don't like to spend too much time on unboxing because I know it's boring for some people. Some people don't mind it because they're just getting a product for the first time, so they kind of want to see everything by detail. But I believe these just spin on. So it's labeled. This one is kind of hard to see because it's black. A. This one's an A, and it should be labeled on here A or B, I believe. If I could see it. Kind of hard to see. It's really gloomy today because it's going to start raining. So I don't have very good lighting right now, guys. So apologize about the lighting. So Alright, I'm going to pause you for just 1 second, guys, so I can see this. I got to go in the light, so I apologize. Okay guys, I got the propellers on. Sorry I had to pause you there. It's not marked on here. It is marked on top of here, so you just got to remember, you know, your A and B motors. So I had to kind of go and what kind of helped me out actually is I looked at the manual. I've seen that which way the props were on there, and it just spun right on. They're a little rough because it's plastic. They're not metal inside this, so it snugs in there really tight. And after the propellers are on, they actually only give you 2 spare props. That's kind of a downfall. So only 2 there, guys. And the little tool that fits in here is cheesy. It doesn't work with the beams. I don't like it. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna go and show you real quick. Easy to turn on. Lights start flashing. Then we'll do a calibration. When I'm not around concrete and all that, I'll go out there to the grass. So if I could get a little bit better weather, it looks like it's getting ready to rain, so I may only be showing you guys the unboxing, which is a bummer. I don't like doing that, but sometimes it is what it is. You know, it's super overcast and starting to get a little bit of moisture I could feel in the air, so we'll see what happens. All right, guys, stay tuned. Man, this is some messed up weather. Well, can't take the drone out for a review in this. Wow, this is messed up. Good old California decides to rain. All right, guys. Hey, at least I got the unboxing done before it decided to pour like this. I got to go return this car and get prepared for in the morning. I got to be at the hospital at 5 a.m. So it's 3 p.m. right now in the afternoon, Monday. So, all right, guys. Take care. See everybody when I get out. Peace.